Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with the granny square. This is a very common to stitch, and this stitch is used in multiple projects, and you can use it in multiple ways too. So this can be converted into any project that you like. It can be converted into a cardigan, it can be converted into a blanket, it can be converted into whatnot. Okay. The speciality of this particular project that I am going to teach here is that I am continuing in the round without making a slip stitch join. That is what you're going to learn extra in this. Otherwise, this is a very common stitch that everybody knows, and any beginner, the first stitch that anybody teaches is this only. And for this particular thing, I have used Toffee Bar DK Fusion yarn, medium weight 3, and I used a 4mm hook. But I am going to demonstrate with Baby Peach Hobby Store Aran 100% premium acrylic anti-pill yarn, and its color code is 2027. So let's begin the video. To begin with, you can either make 4 chains, join it into a circle and work in the circle, or make a magic ring. I prefer to make a magic circle. And I'm using Clover H 5mm hook. It is Clover soft touch hook, most wonderful hook to work with. The speciality is in the material that this hook is made of. It takes a work very fast. So generally we begin with chain 3. I'm not going to begin with chain 3, but as usual I'm going to show you how to make the standalone DC. Just pull up the loop little high, make a twist, insert your hook, pick up the yarn, pull through. So we'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through this and pull it behind the twisted loop. So this gets to the shape of a DC. The first stitch is made. Now yarn over, pull through 2, and then place 2 more DCs in the ring. Chain 3, place 3 DCs in the ring, hold the ring tight with your left hand, otherwise it will become difficult to place the stitches. Chain 3 again, 3 DCs in the ring, again chain 3, three DCs in the ring. Now you can bring this little closer. Now chain 1. You are not going to do 2 more chains and join here. Instead, yarn over the hook and place a double crochet, not double crochet, half double crochet into this stitch. If you have chain 3, onto the third chain you have to do. Since I began with a DC here, and pull through all the 3 loops. Now what happens is this loop comes to the center of this space here, which is going to be the corner. Pull this loop tight, this tail end you pull it little tight, so the small square is made now. So now again begin with either chain 3 or a standing double crochet, whichever you are comfortable with. So I will begin with standing double crochet. 2 more double crochets here. This is going to be your corner, first corner. Chain 1, place 3 DCs under the chain 3 space. In the corners, you need to do 3 DC, chain 3, 3 DC. Chain 3 now, again 3 DC in the same space. Now before going to the next corner, chain 1, again 3 DC, chain 3, 3 DC. So we have done, the first one is half corner done, second one full corner done, third one full corner done, fourth corner we're going to do again. To reach the fourth corner, chain 1, 3 DC, chain 3, 3 DC, all under that chain 3 space. Now chain 1, place the 3 DCs here. The first corner. Normally what we do is we make chain 3 and slip stitch join and start working. Instead, chain 1, yarn over the hook. As per the number of chains, you either have to do the half double crochet or double crochet to join. That will bring your hook to the center, that is bring your stitch to the center of the chain space. That is what is required for us. This, yeah. So this will appear like a chain 3 space now. Chain 1, and either you do chain 3, or if you are doing a double crochet, chain 1 and then make the double crochet. One minute. Take it behind. Yeah. Then over the half double crochet, 2 double crochets. That will get hidden. Need not worry, it will not appear bad at all. Now, this is the first corner we begin with here for this third round, and there is a chain 1 space here. To reach the chain 1 space, we need to make chain 1, and in every chain 1 space we are going to just simply place 3 double crochets. So this will increase the sides, the length of the sides or width of the sides. Okay, so the first side we have done with one set of 3 double crochets. Again chain 1, in the corner make 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 double crochets. So for this round, in every corner you're going to place 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, and in the side, in under chain 1 space, you're going to place 3 double crochets alone, and these sides are separated by one chain, and in the corner you need to make 3 chains. That's it. That is the difference. Okay, I shall complete the stitches and When I come to the beginning of the first corner, I will meet you there. So once again, 3 DCs under chain 1 space, in the corners 3 DC, chain 3, 3 DC. That is how you have to continue. We have reached the first corner here. We have done the last set of 3 double crochets on the side, last side. Here, chain 1. Before reaching the corner, chain 1. Place 3 double crochets here on the chain 3 space. Then chain 1. This V alone you need to pick it up. 1 minute, I'll show. So if you find it difficult, use a smaller hook and pick up those stitches. Picking up under this V is very important, otherwise the stitches will not look good. So yarn over the hook for half double crochet, insert your hook here, pick up. So this is how it will appear. So I will make one more round and show you. So round after round you need to follow the same thing. You can either make a chain 1 and do the double crochet, or directly you can make a double crochet. It won't make any difference. See, standing double crochet done. This is better. So 2 more double crochets here. Had we done the traditional method of slip stitching, then we will be beginning either at this stitch or at this stitch, and again there will be a bobble like thing appearing here near the joints, because the stitches will not be exactly in the center. We will be beginning somewhere else. So this is the best method of working the granny square with this type of join. Chain 1. When you work in the sides, you separate the 3 DC sets with chain 1. Only in the corners you're going to have 3 DC, chain 3, 3 DC. That is the method for this granny square, and continue round after round and you can make any big granny square. So let us work this round alone. Chain 1. See, in the previous round we had one set of 3 DCs on the sides. Now in this round we are having 2 sets of 3 DCs, not counting the corner DCs, corner sets. Chain 1 to reach the corner, chain 1 and then make 3 DC, chain 3, 3 DC. Pause your video, continue this round, and I shall meet you in the first corner when I reach the first corner. I've come to the end of this round here. So to reach the beginning corner, chain 1, 3 double crochets here. Again chain 1 and join with a half double crochet. So now it's easy to pick up this stitch here. Oh. No. So we have finished 4 rounds. So how to know the round number? It is with the number of 3 DC sets here. So when you count the number of 3 DC sets on the sides, before and after this chain 3 and before this chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the 4th round. This is the 3rd round, 2nd round, 1st round. So that is how it is. So it's finding the number, the round number also is very simple here when you're working in the round granny square. Okay, so this is how you continue, and you can make it as big as you want. So like this. Hope you understood this and you enjoyed this video. Thank you friends for watching. Have a great day. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you are notified as and when we upload a new video. Thank you friends once again.